winning together. And of course, we're winning together. And of course, tonight we will be celebrating your success. We will be recognizing a lot of awardees tonight. And of course, well, we will never win if we don't have the teamwork. So tonight, let's celebrate your success and let's all party. So congratulations, IMG.
Good evening, IMG. Good evening, campaigners and champions from more than 60 countries all over the world. And good evening also our honored guests and partners who are here tonight. I'd like to welcome you to this biggest event of IMG, the IMG Convention of Champions 2024. I realize that our biggest blessing in life is when we have leaders who want us to win. And the biggest gift we have is when we have a community that help each other win. We have a team that help each other, each team member also win. And I think that's our culture, our IMG culture, to help every team member win. And that's consistent to our theme for this convention, winning together. So let's win together. And why we are winning? Because we develop an elite fighting force in the financial industry. So you are here, you are all here tonight. And I think right now, our purpose is also very clear. We want to end poverty because we know the only way to end poverty is to end financial ignorance. That's why we have this campaign. We want to educate 30 million Filipinos be financially educated by 2030, so 30 million. And as of now, we are almost halfway. So with the progress we have now, I think we can finish 30 million financially educated families by 2020. And we have to do it fast. We have to do it faster. Because the world now changed so fast and many Filipinos were not able to cope. And many Filipino people, they are living in a cycle of financial distress, financial frustration, and they need us. That is why if no people like us, like IMG, who care for people, many more people will be